I am worried. I don't want my husband to nominate that boy as his successor. It will ruin everything.
This is a very difficult matter. I know how much Igwe likes that boy, Ugonna.
It's not important now. My husband needs someone to talk to him. And that someone should be you. Go talk to my husband. Please, I'm begging you, go talk to him before he makes that mistake.
See, it will be very difficult to persuade the Igwe over this matter. I know how much Igwe loves that boy. I know it too, I'm telling you.
Oh no, maybe you do not know your capacity in this community. You are the only for crying out loud. He listens to you in everything, and this one, I believe he will listen to you. Go talk to him. Explain to him. Let him understand the implication of what he's about to do. It's going to be a horrible mistake. Go talk to him. Are you afraid of him or something?
Okay. I've heard what you said. I'll give it a try.
I don't want trial. I want convincing result. Go talk to him. I'm expecting to hear a positive response as soon as possible.
There's no problem.
I'll be on my way now.
Never, 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 never. I won't take this. I will not take this. I will not take this. Hey, God.
I know how you feel. People, calm down.
You don't know how I feel. You don't know how I feel, Nkechi. Did you see how he humiliated me in front of that yellow papa? Is it because she's fair? Is it because she's fair? Hey.
Understand, Nebiko, calm down.
I have bum now. If she has bum, I have bum. I have bum. Hey. If I catch that girl, if I see her anywhere, she will wish she was never born. She will wish she was never born. Okay. After they'll say that girl started, but that girl started first though. You should know she started first though. Don't even call me.
Calm down. Why are you doing like
Calm down. Did you talk? What did you talk? What you talking to me? Did you talk?
Cool. Stop all this now.
The expectation everywhere is that the Igwe will nominate Ugonna as his successor.
I don't see it coming because the queen loves Ikenna more.
The queen? Do you in any way think that the queen can influence the Igwe's decision?
A woman is always a woman. Or have you forgotten our power over men?
No, it's not true. I don't believe you at all. Not in this case now. It is not possible. You and I know that it is tradition that we are talking about. And tradition is spiritual. Do not forget.
See, I know what I'm saying. Ikenna is more favored by the queen. Yes.
Ngwanu, let's see. Me and you were in this village. We will hear the story.
Now you are talking.
Greetings, beautiful ladies.
Nduka, you are welcome.
Thank you. Akala, how are you?
Jide Kwaya, hold it there. And don't ever mention my name in your mouth again. If you're here because of me, you better leave this house before I'll do something stupid. Rubbish. Akala, how are you?
Are we quarreling?
Come on.
You heard her well. You better respect yourself and leave.
Even you? Ebere! Akala! Ebere! Akala! What have I done to these girls? Why is Akala behaving like this? Her attitude suddenly changed after the quarrel she had with my sister. Am I the cause of the quarrel? Akala! Good morning, sir.
What are you doing in my house?
Nothing, sir.
Yes, nothing, sir. I came to... now tell me, are you not here because of my daughters?
Good morning, sir, again.
Leave here immediately.
Sir, see, it's not what you think. I came to...
Yes. I now get out of my house. Leave here immediately.
Sir, So what did you say? Sorry, sir.
You get that. Shut up! Get that. Get that. Hey, you're mean. Get that.
Who is after you? Why are you running?
Chasing me. Nobody. I'm trying to do some exercise. Can't you see?
You were doing exercise under this hot sun.
Sonke. See, this sun is the perfect ingredient for this exercise. See, join me. I swear you will like it.
Bano, I am not interested.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You like it?
Continue.
I will deny you. You again?
Wonders will never cease to end. Ha! I don't even know what my brother sees in that stupid girl. That idiot with tiny legs that was sent out of the palace. Chase him so that he will stop coming to your house. Chase him very well. Such a disgrace.
Wickedness no they pay. Instead they go home to you. Get do the one you put. What kind of queen are you? Aburaki
Ikenna. Nna.
Chukupuru ya geme. Iburu choose babu wedi nasa. Where kwa ya wa ya inugo. Chukwabura madu. God no be man no. Mind how you behave. Nkwanya paruko na nyakwa nudumbiri. Oparu nkwa huhu si kwa ngwere biaro yorere. Instead together na you the scatter obieze. Which can queen you be? A heartbreaker. Ichori budigi kichori soyandule. Ofumbasi yoge fokwa ginanya. Ojiye watawe nyaka yo mesi oge wedata.
Why are you troubled over this, my daughter? Our custom and tradition demands that the prince must marry the daughter of the chief prince before he assumed the throne of his father.
But Papa, marriage comes with love, right? Yes. Papa, the prince doesn't love me. Papa, love is even far. He doesn't like me. As in, no atom of likeness. Papa, do you know what happened yesterday? Papa, he insulted and humiliated me in front of a stranger.
Adako,
Papa.
we are talking about our custom and tradition. But let me ask you, which of the princes are you talking about? Because the king has not nominated his successor.
I know, no, but I'm talking about the firstborn, Prince Ugonna.
Then you don't have a problem. The prince is yours.
Papa?
Yes.
Thank you, Papa.
You are welcome. Let's stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up.
Papa, the prince is mine.
Of course. He is yours.
Okay.
Put on a smile. Put on a smile.
Smiling already. Thank
Good.
you, Papa.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But thank you.
It's okay. It's okay. That is my daughter.
But do you want anything?
Water.
Son, where have you been? Don't tell me you're just coming back. What's the matter?
Mother,
Yes?
someone went into my bedroom and made away with the 200,000 I left on the table.
What?
Yes.
Didn't you lock your room?
Well, I forgot to lock my room. I have searched everywhere. The money's gone.
Have you asked Ugonna?
No, I've not.
Because I saw him going into your room earlier today. But I didn't know you were not around.
What?
Yes.
Ugonna entered my room.
I saw him.
Ugonna! Father, tell Ugonna to give me my money. Tell him to give me my money.
Ikenna, this is ridiculous. What money are you talking about?
You acting like you don't know what I'm talking about. Well, mother saw you entering my room. Why would you enter my room?
You saw me enter his room.
Why denying it?
Ikenna, I don't see how your brother will walk into your bedroom, take your money without your consent.
There you go again, father. There you go again. I knew you were going to stand by him. For Christ's sake, Ugonna stole my money and I want it now. Will you keep quiet and let me talk? Sit down. Now. Fine. Talk. Talk. I'm listening.
Obieze,
Your Majesty.
did you say you saw Ugonna enter Ikenna's bedroom?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You know what, Father? Enough with the back and forth. We just go to my room and allow Ikenna search my room. Okay? I can allow him search my room because I'm confident I do not have cash in the palace as we speak.
Fine. I will search it myself, father. I will search it myself. Come in with you. I will search it myself. I knew! I said it, father! I said it! That's the money! Here! My money! 200,000 naira! I knew it!
Face of the thief.
I said it! I knew it!
Father, you know me. You know that I do not steal. Father, I swear to you on my honor, I do not know how that money got into my room.
He's still denying it. God! You must be a hardened criminal!
Will you keep quiet?
Father, I know how much you love Ugonna, and that will make it very difficult for you to condemn him. Enough! Ikenna! Enough! I am your elder brother, and I'm not going to stand here and have you insult me. Enough! Elder brother, my fools! You are not my brother. You should start asking questions where you're from.
Watch your tongue, young man. Now leave here. I said leave here now.
I'll leave while I get my money. It's out of my money!
is it? What exactly do you want from me? Ogini? Why are you stopping? Why are you following me around?
Come on, Akala. Are you the one asking me this question? Eh? Are you the one asking me this?
Bia, Ndoka, as you can see, I was on my way to somewhere. I was in a haste before you stopped me. So if you do not have anything important to say, just let me go. Do you understand? Let me go.
See, Akala, calm down and listen to me. See,
what?
I love you, and I want you to be my... See, I want you to be my woman. Please, be my woman. Please.
Akala, you are also part in this world. Me, Akala, be your woman. As Genikwan, as what?
See, Akala, just hear me out. See, I can take good care of you, especially now that you're not working in the palace anymore. Just give me that chance, Biko.
Chai, no, sorry. You can take care of me.
Very well.
Don't stop me on the road and tell me nonsense. God forbid I reject you. You cannot take care of me, Biko.
Akala, just hear me out. You cannot just bind and cast me like that. Do I look like a demon?
I will bind and cast you. If it means tying your soul together for you to have sense, I will bind and cast you. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, Nduka. Take your asking you what?
Why are you making a fool of yourself before her? Eh?
How dare you insult me? How? Have you lost it all?
I am not insulting you. I am only telling you the truth. Leave Akala alone. She's going to ruin your life.
How dare you speak to me like that? Are you mad? Are you mad? Now get out of my sight and learn how to mind your business. Out! Fool! What is wrong with everybody in this village? What? Get out! Go, 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 go!
Kalam, I'm still wondering why Prince Ikenna should accuse Prince Ugonna of stealing his money.
Was it not said that the missing money was found inside Ugonna's bedroom?
I disagree with you. Someone must have planted this there as a frame-up.
I don't know, but the queen believes that Ugonna stole the money.
That's one of her strategies to convince the Igwe that the Prince Ugonna is not good for the throne.
Like I said, I don't know. But I know Prince Ikenna very well. I know Prince Ikenna. Ugonna would have avoided him by all means. He wouldn't have even touched the money in the first place.
Where is that shameless girl with tiny legs? Akala or whatever name they call you. I have come to warn you to stay away from my brother. Leave my brother alone!
Stop that!
Who was backing? Bia? Do I know your brother? What is your brother's color? Have I met him before? Eh?
So you're acting as if you don't know my brother, Nduka. Eh? Whatever charm you use on my brother, go and undo it. Undo it! Else!
Else what? Me?
Yes.
Hey, somebody should hold this girl, oh. Me? I use charm on your brother. Are you? You want to? You're slapping me? You're slapping me?
Yes, allow me to go inside.
So you get to our house. Don't worry. Go Hale. Don't worry. I will come back for you. Bring my slippers on. Let me bring my slippers. Rubbish. Look at them. Hey, let's get suffered in this life. Bring my slippers. Bring my slippers because you are not a brother.
That girl is not. Hey! She's very good. Dance, I don't know. She came to this house and fight you.
Hey!
Your Majesty,
You sent for me.
Sit. What did you tell Ikenna about Ugonna? I didn't believe that you could be this wicked. How could you have done that after all I have told you in the past?
But Your Majesty, are we going to hide the truth from him forever? Surely one day he will find out who he is.
You have no power to do that. Do you know what you cost me last night? I never believed that someone like you that I cherished and trusted so much could do this, could disappoint me in this manner.
Your Majesty, I am very sorry. Just that his attitude towards Ikenna pushed me into doing that.
You have no reason whatsoever to do that. No reason, I said. I am disappointed at you. You have betrayed the trust I had in you. Get out of my room.
Your Majesty, I am very sorry. It will not happen again. I promise it will not happen again. I am sorry.
Leave my room.
I am sorry, please.
I say get out of my room.
Wickedness no they pay. Instead they go home to you.
Night, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am not fine.
You are not fine. Is that why you are just passing, leaving me like that?
Look at my skin. Look at what your daughters did to my skin. With their fingers all over my body.
Where did this happen?
At your house. I came to warn Akala to leave my brother alone. And they started fighting me.
Oh, it happened in my house. You went to my house to warn Akala, my daughter, to leave your brother alone. Is that not so?
Yes, in 9.
And they started fighting you. That is good. But do you know how many times I have chased your useless brother out of my house? Do you know?
Nah, my brother is not useless. Because I don't even know what your daughter gave to my brother or what she did that is making my brother misbehave around her. Ha!
He is useless. That is why he goes about following my daughter. Now listen. I want you now to leave here. Go back home and talk sense into him.
Nah, it is your daughter that needs to be talked to.
I want you not to argue with me because you know I'm not your mate.
9.
Listen and listen good. When next I see you in my house, I will tell my daughters to beat the hell out of you.
Okay. They will not go free, including you that is supporting them. You know what I can do?
Come back for me. Who are you? I assure you, when next you step your stinking feet on my house, I will tell my daughter to put you in the condition that you will regret.
All right. We shall see.
We shall see. What do you say? We shall see nothing.
All right, though.
Get out. Just go. Get away. Go.
We shall
useless
see.
People. Go to you and your brother.
And
you are useless. That is why you have to
and
go
your
and
daughters. We shall see. No problem. They will not scatter my skin and go. I will design their faces with razor blade.
I'm sorry, my son. I take all the blame for hiding the truth from you. You see, you were very tender when your mother passed on, and Obieze took you as her own. We lived happily for a while before Ikenna came. I plead with you, do not take whatever Ikenna told you to heart. Still love Obieze as your mother. Let's still live happily the way we have always lived. Right?
Now I know why she treats me the way she does. This clearly explains her inconsistent attitude towards me.
It's okay. It's okay. I have always known you as a brave man, like myself. Anytime I see my youthfulness. I see my youthful agent. You are my son.
Father, you know that I love you. But you would agree with me that this Father, I love you, but this is hard to take. You know. I'm so heartbroken. Someone should have at least told me something all these years. I've constantly looked at Obieze as my mother, loved her like my mother. But I just knew something was off. Daddy, you should have told me. I am hurt.
It's okay, my son. Try and forget the past. The future is what matters now.
The future? Is it not looking like I don't have a future here?
Oh, no. Don't say that again. I am still your father. And I determine what happens.
Now I know why Ikena does not love me. He can't stand me.
My son, take my word for it. You belong here.
I was meant to understand that you visited my husband in the morning.
Yes, I did. And I'm worried about his current condition. He keeps going down every day.
That's the way we saw it. So were you able to talk to him concerning what we discussed the last time?
Yes, I did. But all efforts to convince him as to the right choice as successor were in vain.
So what exactly did he tell you?
Actually, he did not give me a specific reply. But from the way he sounded, Ugonna still remains his choice. And all efforts to convince him that Ugonna is a bad choice fell on deaf ears.
Oh no.
My queen.
Oh no. You are the Onowu of this community. Let me put it again in your head. He listens to you on everything. Use it to your advantage. Use it as your weapon to convince him on the contrary.
I will, my queen. I will do my best. But tell me, is it true that Ugonna stole Ikena's money?
Yes. What you heard is true. Ugonna stole Ikena's money, yet my husband wants him to be his successor. We found 200,000 naira belonging to Ikena in Ugonna's bedroom.
Really?
Yes!
But that's an abomination.
Really? Yet he denied it. That is the kind of man that you want to rule and reign over this land. A thief, cheap thief, a criminal. Maybe the next time he will carry guns and shoot people, collecting their stuff from them.
My queen, let me tell you, all hope is not lost. We still have some days to accomplish our task. I promise you of a positive result.
Mount pressure on the Igwe. Make him understand that a criminal cannot be made king in this community, cannot be the Igwe of this community. An Igwe comes clean, pure and innocent, not a thief.
I've heard you, my queen, and I will do my best.
I shall be on my way. I want to hear positive result. Positive. To the apt. Positive.
Dad. The last time we spoke, you told me about my mother. I know that happened, and I have been thinking, I've always known the Queen as my mom. But now I'm living with the reality of accepting that my mother is dead, but I don't know much about her. I know you're not feeling so fine, Dad, but if you can tell me more about her, you know who she was, you know who her relatives are, what kind of life she lived, where she was buried, if I can go there, I'll be happy.
My son, why are you so bothered about this issue? Why? Well, I will tell you, but that will be after I come down from the sickbed. Who is there? Go. I am very busy. Come in.
Over now. Please excuse us. I want to talk to my husband.
No. Say what you want to say and leave us. We were in the middle of a discussion when you walked in.
Really? Like really?
Dad, it's fine. I would leave for now and return later.
It's okay.
You promised, Dad. You will tell me where the gravesite is located.
It's okay. It's a promise. I will.
Whose gravesite was he talking about?
His mother's gravesite, of course. I hired to lie to him just to cover your mess, as I didn't know what to tell him.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to cause you all these troubles. I apologize. I am sorry. I actually came to find out your final decision concerning your successor.
Enough of that, woman. Enough. It is a royal issue, and you have no right to attempt to influence my decision. Have I made myself clear? Oh no.
Igwe.
You are the only one that knows about this. It has always been my wish, from the time he was a little boy, that he will grow up to take over the throne after me.
Your Highness, I don't have anything against your royal wish. You have the right to make whatever decision that pleases you. The God's reaction to it is what I'm afraid of. Ugonna is the wrong choice, if I'm allowed to say.
I have no confidence in Ikenna. If that boy is ever allowed to become king, he will ruin this kingdom. He will ruin it.
No, my king. He's just a kid. And besides, the gods will not fail to guide and direct his footsteps when he assumes the throne after you. I believe he will continue the good works you have done for this community. I have faith that he will.
Oh no, you do not know that boy enough. You do not know him. He behaves like an animal. Sometimes I wonder if he is really my son.
No, Igwe, Ikenna is your son. Let us not make the wrong choice for the throne.
Oh no. It will be difficult for me to make such a decision. Very difficult.
I've been here for long now. She decided not to go to church today. What is going on? Okay. I'll just wait some more. Yeah, wait some more, then I go home. Or maybe I should try to see if I can locate her church. Oh yeah.
Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Jesus, take control. Jesus, take control. Take control. Oh my God, Jesus. Jesus,
I'm fucking to you.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
Why are you running? Why are you running? What is it?
Brother Nduka, they have kidnapped her.
Kidnap who?
That girl that used to follow Prince Ugonna around. Some people took her inside the bush and I had to run away. I left my tools in the farm.
That is good for her. I wish they would kill her there.
Why?
Is that not the same girl that has been causing confusion in this land? Prince Ugonna has refused to marry Ezemo's daughter, so let them kill her there.
Is that why they should kill her?
Of course, yes. She deserves to die. Let them kill her. Wait. Is that the reason why you're running?
Fredo, I can't go back there and carry those tools.
Mama, let's go and carry your things. In Agboronya also. Let's go. Go and show me the place. Go and show me the way. Go.
Very good. Yes. Look around. Huh? Go there. Nothing. Victoria, can you hear me? Victoria! Help me. I don't know what happened to her. Oh, please help. I don't want her to die, please.
What happened to her?
I found her in the forest. You know, we had agreed to meet up so that she would take me to her church. But I heard her scream. I ran into the forest. At first I didn't see her, and I saw her lying somewhere, you know. Vicky. Vicky. Can you hear me? Vicky. Can you hear me? Vicky, can you... Listen. Can you hear me? Listen, please. Vicky.
Jesus!
Jesus. Vicky, relax.
What am I doing here?
I'm here.
Who brought me here? What am I doing here?
I found you lying lifeless in the bush. So I decided to bring you to the ACM more of our community to see how we can help you. Calm down.
Please, calm down. I will administer some herbs to ease the pains.
God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
Very come.
God forbid. God forbid.
She run into. It's fine, there's a more. Vicky! Calm down, Vicky, calm down.
Adaku.
Papa.
What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
You are fine and your face is like this. Did you quarrel with anybody?
No, Papa.
Did you quarrel with Prince Ugonna?
Ah, no, I did not. I did not.
Very well then. Take care of the house.
Okay.
Let me go and get some herbs.
Okay, Papa.
I know you're wondering why I came into your room. I came to apologize to you. I've been so nasty towards you. My attitude towards you hasn't been a good one.
No, please. Please sit.
Thank you.
You don't have to do that. Just go ahead and talk. I'm listening.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I beg you. I beg you in God's name. Forgive me.
Your hostility towards me is understandable. It's because you're not my mother. It is clear. But please, can we not go into all of that now and just let me be, please?
Gunne, I don't know what came over me. I've loved you right from when you were tender. I practically nursed you because your mother was not there to do that for you. Please, I promise to be a good mother to you from now onwards.
You promise?
I promise. Please. Don't think about the past. I am sorry. Forgive me. It will never happen again.
It's fine. I'll give us another chance. I forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you so, so much. Thank you.
I'd like for you to show me my mother's grave.
We'll talk about that. I promise. I made your favorite meal, breadfruit. One of the maidens will bring it for you. After enjoying it, I will come back and tell you where your mother's grave is. I made it for you with so much love.
Thank you.
So, enjoy it. She'll serve it now.
Thank you.
His mother's grave? Oh. But I've been wondering why my husband found it so difficult to tell him the truth. Well, I wish he will have the opportunity to hear the true story about his mother.
What happened? You didn't eat the food again? He asked me to take the food away. You take it away. What happened? Why?
I don't know and it's none of my business. But you see this food, I am going to eat it.
Stop! Make sure you tell the queen before you eat this food.
Oh, please. Nothing will stop me from eating this food that was specially prepared by the queen herself. And besides, she will not find out that I ate the food. No, so I am eating this food.
I come out of where?
I am eating this food. If you like, you join me. You better go, do you understand? See free food. Hey! Oh, this food is delicious. Oh, what the hell?
Let me taste it. Want to join me?
I want to join me. Yeah. Come on. Enjoy yourself.
It's good. Look at the place, finish it.
You give me spoon. Now let me eat. It's so sweet. So sumptuous.
Thank God she did not eat it. He did not eat it.
The news about his death ought to have been announced by now. Or does it mean no one has gone to check on him in his bedroom? What is going on? What is going on? God. What is the matter?
Your maiden and the chef are all dead.
What?
Yes, my queen.
Which of the maidens?
Shoma.
Go, just thank you.
What is chasing her? I can't see anything. And she looks troubled. I think all is not well with her. I have to go back now.
Where has the children gone to? Akala! Ebere! Akala!
Papa!
Akala! What is it?
Hey!
What happened?
Papa, something terrible has happened.
Something like what? What really happened?
Hey! Papa!
No, tell me what happened! Baby.
I went to the palace to see one of the maidens that is my friend. Papa, on getting to the palace, I saw two maidens crying bitterly, and all the palace guards were sorrowful. Papa, you don't want to even see what I just saw. Help!
Believe what?
Hey!
No. What? Believe what? Why can't you heal the nail at the head? Instead of Papa, no, talk to me. What happened?
Papa, Jigudi. Hey! Hey, whoa! Hey!
As far as I'm concerned, you have not said anything. Is that why you people left this very place little like this? By the way, where is your sister?
Papa, I'm talking about something that is serious. You're telling me little sister. I forgot my cap.
You are not saying anything. Ebere! Ebere!
They died. They died. After eating the breadfruit that you prepared for me. The one that you gave me to eat.
I don't know what you are talking about. Excuse me.
Iberi, I heard from the guards that Queen Obieze prepared that food specially for Ugonna.
Don't you think that the food was poisoned?
Hey, I thought as much.
That means she wanted to kill Ugonna.
Exactly. But why? Makagini-kwan. Why is that woman evil? Why is she evil? She's wicked.
Does Igwe know all this?
I don't think so. I don't think he knows at all.
If I were Ugonna, I would have reported. Yes.
But you know, even if he talks or reports to Igwe, he will not believe him. He will think that Ugonna is trying to accuse Queen Obieze falsely. The king will not believe, so just forget about it. He will not believe.
Now, the maid and the steward have lost their lives just like that.
But them, I blame them. Why would they even eat the breadfruit? Is it theirs? They would have just returned it to the queen and saved their lives.
They are not aware that the food was poison. Eh? So don't blame them. Huh.
Hey!
Things are really happening.
I will throw you out of this palace, back to the slums, where you belong, I guess.
Ikenna, I'm not going to have you insult me in front of a guest.
Or what? Now you tell me, what are you going to do to me now?
Please do not fight each other. Please.
Ikenna, you know that I have had just about enough of your nonsense in this palace.
You are not part of this palace. You are not my father's son. You have no inheritance here. You shall know that.